Hey, I guess like good afternoon. This is another episode of our channel. This is gonna be Halloween party tonight. We have live banding and play outside. Well, that's every Monday actually. We have the live band is playing outside, but there's something special today because there's like Halloween barbecue theme tonight. So the chef who's working downstairs tonight. They're gonna be I think on the they have a custom. So that's gonna be. I don't know about in the bar. Well, we'll not. I think we don't have enough custom, so we don't have a custom in the bar. But I don't know. We'll check later on tonight. But now this preparation of the Halloween barbecue downstairs tonight. By the way, welcome to my blog again. And before we start, please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, The Naked Mixology, and then my IG, and then my Facebook page. Let's go to the kitchen. Let's see this preparation right now. Chef, what you're making for tonight?
Today I'm making dessert for Halloween, so it's little scary. I don't want to make too much scary, otherwise people can't eat, no?
Okay, so that is like a dessert for tonight.
This one like mud cake
Okay,
with teeth sip.
okay.
Yeah. Some other dessert also you can see here.
And this Hello D, another star. They have like every Monday, they have the Hello D special soup. But today, I know today maybe they doesn't have the soup because it's Halloween. You still have the soup holiday? No. The soup that you make every Monday. You have those?
No soup today.
Okay, no soup today.
You can take picture of some of desserts.
Okay, where is this? Oh, here.
So this one famous Austrian ninja torte.
What is it, chef?
So this one famous in Austria, the ninja torte. This one,
So,
and this one the cranberry fudge.
so this is cranberry
Yeah, cranberry fudge.
first. So anything more dessert?
Yeah, we have more desserts. I just start making. Maybe it will take half an hour more.
Okay.
And
Okay, we'll see.
yes, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Hey, welcome, chef. Yes, Philip. Hey, that's steaming, chef. The steaming. Right there.
Very hot.
So that is steam corn. Like corn on the cob. There's gonna be corn on the cob. So that's like really just come out from the steam. So that's like really hot right now. And there's more here. Chef? What is that, chef? What you're cooking now?
Some sauce.
Huh?
Making the what is macaroni pie.
What is this? This
That's
soup?
pumpkin.
Pumpkin soup.
Yes.
And then
We have some sauce here for the spaghetti meatballs and the mac and cheese.
okay, mac and cheese.
We're gonna do it.
We're gonna do it.
now.
That's good. Hey, chef.
Hi. How are you?
Good. Yeah, man.
I don't take anything.
You haven't made anything yet? So, what you're making now?
Nothing. It's just filling.
Okay. Nana start filling it. Hey, that's so hot, man.
Can you please remove my place?
That's so hot. That's so hot.
Oh, I got this one. Easy to cut. You don't know how to cut. Very easy.
Okay, so this kitchen right now is the preparation for the Halloween buffet downstairs. So like it's almost done. It's like halfway and like so. Yeah. Lip. Shit. So what is that, chef?
So this one canoncini is famous in Italy. The Italian people like very much. So
That's
it's
good.
made by puff pastries, and inside the pastry cream. Pastry cream like a vanilla flavor custard. So it's very tasty, crispy outside and nice creamy inside.
Creamy inside.
Yes.
So that's gonna be really good dessert. And Helen is making also
The ghost.
the ghost. How do you know that it's a ghost?
This is just colorful.
Okay. This for hey, what is this bag? This
Yeah,
the
that's
sirloin steak.
yeah, that's for carving later on.
Okay, good man. Good show, man. Hey,
Hey, yeah man, good.
good.
Yeah man.
Hey, don't laugh down there. Come out, chef. So this is all the carving. We have competition. We have a competition for carving. So this could be one of them. So everything's downstairs, like F&B, housekeeping, the front desk, the concierge. So we have the maintenance. So we have this carving downstairs. I think the verdict is gonna be tonight, but I don't know. Maybe tomorrow, maybe tonight. So we'll see. That is one of them. Pumpkin, the traditional pumpkin carving. So everything's ready, chef?
Huh? Yes, sir.
Everything's ready?
No, not ready yet.
Okay.
3, 4 more.
All right, that's it for now. So we'll see you soon downstairs. This is the weather update for outside because kind of like the rain is like on and off today. Rain in the morning, then stop, and then it got rain again. Now it's like it's 3 o'clock now. It's like 3:30. So this is the weather update. Good, sunny again. So I don't know how long. We'll see. So we'll say, let's go down. Let's go down. I'll take you down into the bar. Oh, sick. So this is the pumpkin update. This is the barbecue that's gonna be here tonight. So over here, there's a menu for Halloween. Over here is the buffet. It's not ready yet. And it's the view right now. So it looks like empty now, right? But soon, it'll be like loaded of guests. So this is the carving. I'm gonna show you the carving over here. So you can vote for carving. Just for the guests, you have to vote and you win a prize. Let's go inside. Number 2 is for us. This number 2 for the F&B. It looks good, right? So this all inside. This is for the staff. Nikki. So that's all. So we'll see. That's it for now. We'll see. This is a buffet right now with Uncle Philip. So he's in the costume right now. Yeah, boy. So yeah. So this day for tonight is ready. So yeah, over here. See, if the dessert not ready yet. Isn't ready yet. Barbecue, rub, and then you got meatball spaghetti, and then chicken wings. There we go. You got the herb frosted roast beef, and then potato spinach over here. So almost ready. So yeah, it's good. And there's everything for tonight. And the guests start coming in. Soon they're gonna be ready. Hey.
Sausage potato, spinach, onion, corn. You have mac and cheese. This one, the chicken finger with parmesan. Smoked.
All right, mom. Yeah, you can just. Yeah. All right. Chicken wings.
Pasta with meatballs. And the pork ribs.
Thank you, chef. You're the man.
Ano na, Dukwanda?
Yeah. Welcome. Hey, it's ready. So, yeah. Happy Halloween. Welcome back.
Thank you.
All right, man.
It's good to be back.
Good to be back, right? Have fun.
Thanks as well.
Yeah.
Happy Halloween.
Happy Halloween, man.
And we make it through the night. Don't smile at me, my friend. And the morning sunshine.
Tonight is one of the again that it's really unexpected. All of a sudden, in the middle of like they start getting busy. I'm inside right now. I'm done. I'm just doing my cast out. All of a sudden, it's like rain, pouring rain. It's so all it is like running. So now it's like the buffet is like upstairs, but now it's like already 9 o'clock, so it's done. One of this crazy night that you never know, you know. So this is outside, so it's so quiet. Okay, look at this. Wet, all wet. Right here. I just like off the video because my cell phones get wet. You know, I use just a cell phone anyway. So look at this. Yeah, everybody's gone early. It's just like all of a sudden, it's rain. A lot of it's like really slippery outside. It's wet. Okay. Look at that. Wet water, all the water right now. It's empty right now. Just like 9 o'clock in the evening. So yeah, so it's one of those nights that you never know. All of a sudden, so now I'm inside. So this all the decoration for the Halloween. We have all the spiders. It is at the lobby actually. This is our lobby. Look at that. Us and the second one. This one is from the FB. So I think number one is the kitchen. This number one. That is number one. Yeah. So here we go. The verdict of this is gonna be tomorrow, Tuesday. So see another, and that's our coffee corner. Like we have a nice coffee, like espresso. If you want like espresso, cappuccino, coffee latte, any coffee that you want, like iced coffee, we have those. So now I'm doing my cast out. Chill out. Have a good night. Until next time. And please again, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, on my Instagram, like hit likes and share it to your friends, and my Facebook page. So yeah, thank you so much. Have a good night. I see you next time. All right, next week anyway. All right.